Hello students, how are you all? I really hope you are answering me that we are fine, we are doing good. I know we are all living in a tough situation right now. Since this pandemic has entered into our lives, we are living in uncertainty, isn't it? So I really hope you are all really doing good and healthy right now. And being a lecturer or being your teacher, it's my responsibility to talk to you for few minutes when even in this difficult situation and push you through your exams and see you successful, right? So bear me for few minutes of my talk, and I hope you really enjoy this video. And then students, it is not only you or me who has got affected from this pandemic. More than 300 million students all over the world, their education is disrupted since this pandemic has outbroken. Being in this course, and if you have taken this course, let me tell you, you are the brave one and you are the deterministic one, because taking such professional course and getting prepared for the exams, it really requires determination and focus and your hard work. So if you have already taken up these exams and ready to give a shot, then definitely you are one of the most deterministic persons. So you can compare to any other students right now, and you are most responsible at this moment, right? So being in this position, I want you all to push yourself in this difficult situation to study more. So the struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. You are seeing that, right? So let us be prepared for tomorrow. Being a teacher, I can only push you, but you have to go inside and come out with all the colors right there. So what we can help you here is, if you have any doubts in the questions or doubts in the subject, or while learning, or you are missing some connections between the points, or you might be failing to see the right interpretation of certain things, please post us so that we will also come to know what is your doubt, and we will help you to get through those doubts. All right. And then students, I know it is very difficult situation right now. In most of our house, we are seeing so much of negative news, and preparing for exams or keep on studying will be boring, right? So we have to make our studies interesting. What else you have right now? Can you skip your exams? You can skip. There is nothing forceful to stop you, but I suggest don't skip your exams, or do not think of forgetting about this professional course right now. It is only that some more deterministic attitude is required during this situation. So let us reorganize ourselves or rejuvenate our studies, right? How do we do this? Students, let us put our thinking cap on and think, how can we do this? Let us create some positive environment around us. First thing, which is very much important for anything you do, whether it is studies or whether you want to work at home, you need some positive atmosphere. And then students, what else we can do here is create a group of your friends, okay, who are also writing exams, or your classmates who are taking exams in coming June or December, okay. Have like-minded people and start discussing on the points, okay. What we have understood here is your marks or exams are not so important, okay. See, exam is just a thing to measure your knowledge, okay, but it doesn't define what are you, okay. What is important here? What is the knowledge you have on that subject? What is the hold you have on that subject? Whether you are able to practically implement it in your life or in the upcoming jobs, okay, that is very important. How deeply you understand the subject is what matters here. So whether we write exam today or tomorrow or after 6 months, how does it matter, right? Let us keep learning, let us keep understanding the subject so well that we will be equipped to face any situation in our profession. Keep this in your mind and start studying. And while start studying, I tell you to start with your favorite subject. You know what is your interest right now. You have vast variety of subjects in the course. Choose which is your favorite subject, whether it is accounts or whether it is studying some theory subjects. You know which you are interested in. Start with that only, so that you can finish one subject quickly, and that will boost you to take up the next subject. All right. As the students, how can you get a satisfying life? Satisfying is nothing when you feel satisfied when you finish something which you wanted to do, right? Or when you complete certain task or certain studies which you wanted to do in certain time, correct? So set your targets and try to reach the targets. You will have every day a satisfying day. Okay, as a student, this is what you wanted, to be satisfied. So if you are writing final exams, professional exam students, I tell you have come all the long way and you're almost there. So stop procrastinating, start studying everything and from the beginning, and complete the syllabus as much as you can, and I know you will all do your best. And guys, go hit your books right now, and it is worth a shot if you give it in this pandemic. Utilize this too much of time for studies only, so that you can see or you can come out with all the colors and good results after your exams. I would like to see your comments after the exams that you have completed your studies or exams in good marks. All right. And also what I can wish you is very good luck. Take care of yourself. Your health is very important. Take care of your family members. Be a responsible person, and stay home, stay safe, keep learning. If you have any doubts, please post it to us, and we will help you through your studies. All right. Thank you.